Louis de Broglie had an interesting question that was, if waves can behave like particles, can particles behave like waves? And he found out that the wavelength duality is a property not only of light but of matter as well. The uncertainty principle says that the more precise the position of particles is determined, the less precise the momentum is known in this instance, and it's vice versa. Antoine Lavoisier was known as the father of modern chemistry, and he named oxygen, hydrogen, and predicted silica.
Robert A. Millikan and the oil drop experiment entailed balancing the downward gravitational force with the upward drag and electrical forces on the tiny charged droplets of oil suspended between two metal electrodes. Ernest A. Rutherford. Gold foil experiment was an experiment to probe the structure of an atom. Niels Bohr. In 1913, Niels Bohr depicted the atom as a small, positively charged nucleus surrounded by electrons that travel in circular orbits around the nucleus. James Chadwick discovered the neutron.
John Dalton made up the atomic theory, which was all matter is made of atoms. Atoms are invisible and indestructible. He also came up with the law of definite proportion, which was the elements in a given compound are always combined in the same proportion by mass. This law forms the basis for the definition of a chemical compound. The law of multiple proportions is whenever two elements form more than one compound, the different masses of one element that combine with the same mass of the other element are the ratio of small whole numbers. Demetrius invented the concept of the atom. If you keep cutting something, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and the smallest part possible is called an atom. Coulomb's law of attractive forces. According to this law, the force of an attraction or repulsion varies inversely with the square distance between the charges. Joseph John Thomson's cathode ray experiment. This idea is that the cathode rays are really streams of very small pieces of atoms. The negative charge in the cathode rays must somehow be struck together. You cannot separate the charge from the rays.